This is a video for dominant and recessive crosses. Anytime you see a capital letter that represents the dominant trait and the lowercase letter represents the recessive trait. The dominant trait is always going to mask or cover the expression of the recessive trait. So if there is just one copy of the dominant trait, just one copy of the dominant trait, then that's the trait that you will see. In order to see the recessive trait, you will have to have two copies of the recessive trait. So to work our problems, set up the square for each of the crosses listed below. The trait being studied is round seeds, which is our dominant trait, and wrinkled seeds, which is the recessive. So this individual, the heterozygote, is going to be a round expression of that gene, and then the homozygous recessive, the two lowercase r's, will be a wrinkled seed. So I'm going to set up one parent there and the second parent on the side. Always write the capital letter in the box first. And you simply are going to bring one R down and the other R over. And then same over here, capital R is going to come down and then the lowercase r comes over. So what percentage of the offspring will be round? Well, if you remember from up here, the round seeds are the dominant expression, so we need to have at least one copy of the round allele. And we see that 2 of our 4 boxes are round, so that is 50%. Over here, we have 2 heterozygous individuals, so we're going to put the capital here, lowercase, same thing. And if we want to find out again what percentage of these individuals are round, we see that there's only one box out of the 4 that has the recessive genotype, and 3 out of 4 boxes have the capital R. So if we have 3 out of 4, that is 75% of the offspring will be round, and their genotypes will either be homozygous, dominant, or heterozygous. But because it's the dominant trait, they both look the same.